Alright guys, so pretty sad video. Today we're going to be sending the Phantom 4 Pro off on its last flight. I'm here at Embryville. I came here with my Mavic Pro and I loved the footage I shot, and I always said I'd be back and bring my Phantom with me. So I figured this would be a pretty good spot to kind of send it on its goodbye and put it into retirement after this flight. I might head over to this big bridge area I've flown before to fly one last time again with this, but this is one of the last locations I'm going to fly with my Phantom 4 Pro. As many of you know, it's been giving me some issues. I fell on it while I was on a snowmobile. That kind of hurt, but the back leg right here snapped. I've got some duct tape on it, and also the shell cracked right here near the battery. Now, I have been absolutely loving my Inspire 2, and that's going to be my main drone. When travel's a little bit limited, I might bring something like the Mavic, and this Phantom 4 Pro is probably going to be my backup drone. So we're battling a storm here. We're hearing some thunder in the distance. We're going to get these drones up in the air. Ken is already flying, and we had to hike up here. He's such a sissy. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy the footage. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I don't know if you guys can hear in the background, but there's a ton of air traffic out here near Philadelphia. I said I was going to be going to the bridge near Downingtown. That's another one of my favorite places to fly. But this right here in Philadelphia along Kelly Drive is absolutely my favorite place. So what a good way to put this drone out, send it off on its last flight. We're actually here the next day. We got rained out. We actually beat the storm. We got to the car just as it started pouring down rain. The Phantom 4 Pro treated me well. One of my favorite things about the drone was the landing gear. It made it so easy to just bring down and catch. I loved flying it off of boats. I loved flying it in risky situations. In this video, I tried to push it as hard as I can, push it to its limits, flying basically in sport mode the entire time. All those clips you guys were watching weren't sped up in any way. Sometimes I flew backwards and made it fly forwards or reversed the clip in post, but I never actually sped it up. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe I'll break out the Phantom 4 Pro again in the future, but right now the Inspire 2 is what I'm going to be focusing on, and also some different videos with the Mavic, because I know a lot of you guys have the Mavic. But guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll talk to you later. Peace.